Good afternoon, Attorney Tracy Paulson here from Rightful Legal. Today I wanted to talk about a health crisis affecting everyone in America today, and particularly that of our children. And that is with the manufacturing of ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods are foods that can taste great, but they have been industrially manufactured and contain many additives, such as preservatives and colorings that have been linked to serious health consequences for our citizens. Some of these health consequences include type 2 diabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, obesity, and certain types of cancers. At Rightful Legal, we believe in holding corporations accountable when they put profits over the health of our citizens and especially our children. Many legal actions have begun against ultra-processed food manufacturers such as General Mills and Nestlé. If you or a loved one is under the age of 25 and you have been diagnosed with either type 2 diabetes or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, you may have a cause of action. You may be able to get compensation for the harm that you have endured and for the suffering to your health and your longevity. If so, please contact us. We are here to serve you justice and hold these corporations accountable and try to get you the compensation that you deserve for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and the alike. Please call me directly or text me directly at 617-821-5856 or go to our website at rightfullegal.com and schedule a free and confidential consultation. Remember, there is no risk to engaging in this lawsuit. There is an MDL currently against the food manufacturers. There is no payment unless you win. So please do not wait, as these claims are time barred. We, again, are here to create a change and a difference in our world for a healthier future. Thank you so much.